Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of Roku and showing you how to easily install and update apps, also known as channels, on your device. It's a simple process, so let's get started. First things first, turn on your Roku and make sure you're on the home screen. You'll know you're there when you see all your installed channels displayed in a grid. Now, to add a new channel, you have a couple of options. You can either browse the Roku Channel Store directly on your device, or you can add channels via the Roku website on your computer or smartphone. Let's start with adding a channel directly on your Roku. Navigate to the Streaming Channels option on the home screen. It's usually near the bottom. Select it, and you'll be taken to the Roku Channel Store. Here you can browse through various categories like movies and TV, news, sports, and more. You can also use the search function, which is usually in the upper right corner, if you know the specific name of the channel you want to add. Once you find the channel you're looking for, select it. You'll see a description of the channel, along with screenshots and reviews. If it looks like what you want, select the Add Channel button. The channel will then download and install onto your Roku. After it's installed, you typically have the option to go directly to the channel or select OK. Selecting OK will simply return you to the channel's description page. The channel will now appear on your Roku home screen, usually at the end of your list of channels. You can move it around to your preferred spot by highlighting the channel, pressing the asterisk button on your remote, and selecting Move Channel. Now, let's talk about adding channels through the Roku website. This method is great if you prefer browsing on a larger screen or if you're already on your computer. Open your web browser and go to Roku.com. Make sure you're logged into your Roku account, the one that's linked to your device. Once you're logged in, you can use the search bar at the top of the page to find the channel you want to add. When you find the channel, click on it. You'll see a description, similar to what you saw on the Roku device itself. Click the Add Channel button. You may be prompted to enter your Roku PIN if you have one set up. Once you've added the channel, it will automatically be added to your Roku device. However, it might not appear immediately. You can force your Roku to update by going to Settings, then System Update, and finally, select Check Now. This will force the Roku to sync with your account and download the new channel. Finally, let's cover how to update your Roku channels. Roku typically updates channels automatically in the background. However, if you suspect a channel isn't working correctly, or you just want to make sure you have the latest version, you can manually check for updates. Again, go to Settings, then System Update. Select Check Now, and Roku will check for updates for both the system software and your installed channels. If there are any updates available, they will be downloaded and installed automatically. That's all there is to it. Adding and updating channels on your Roku is a breeze. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.